Welcome, everybody. This is a Waves of Profit update. I'm Scott Patton at www.wavesofprofit. Most programs, in fact, if you've got any sort of iPhone or Android, you're constantly be inundated with app updates. Happens like all the time. And Windows is constantly updating, and the Mac programs are constantly updating. And the reason they are is there's a bug, there's a problem, there's security issues, all those sort of good things. And we're going to be showing you an update now that we've done to Waves of Profit. And we're doing it because Alan sat down and said, I wonder if I did this, if it would make everybody's trading easier. And he thought, yes, it would. And so he implemented it. So when we do updates, 99% of the time, it's to make everything run smoother, faster. Right now, to work with an interactive broker feed, so you get faster, quicker, more accurate information. But also, it's because we thought, oh, well, this would be really cool and really helpful. And if you've been following along for the last 3 months, you've seen things like badges when you hit a certain level of trades that weren't there 6 months ago, and all sorts of things that are not there to confuse you, we hope, but there to help make the whole learning experience better. And then you practice more, and the more you practice, the better you get at it. And then when you're ready to stop practicing and actually make 10% in 10 minutes, you're able to do that with a minimum of transitional pain, shall we say, and to do it profitably. So Alan, I understand that you have made a massive, massive change. You've turned all the reds to blues and all the blues to oranges to confuse everybody.
Oh, yeah, because that helps everybody when we change everything. Reminds me of when you go into the store, you know, some of these grocery stores and whatever, and they move all the shelves all around, and it's like, you know, I used to just walk in and get what I wanted. Now I have to get past the magazines because they're trying to sell me the magazines. Anyways, no, we didn't do anything like that. We like to keep it easy for people because there's a number of people who've been using this for years. Some of them are our beta team, but we're finding, and this is what I do, some people like sports and I don't. I mean, it's okay, but if I'm not playing, I look at charts and try to figure out how I can make my money game go easier, better. So here, we added something just the other day. I turned off most of the stuff on the chart here. In fact, I'll just turn off more of it here. So all you're looking at is a pretty plain chart. The focal point I want you to look at is this business right here. You'll notice there's this little red heart. And that gets to be pretty important, and I'll show you why. So for this particular stock, I liked it, and I bought a put, and it turned out fine. I'm going to move forward in time. But what I want you to look at is, and this is the meaning for that little heart, is that the market likes red right now. You see, sometimes it'll go away because it's like it's not quite sure. Then it says, yeah, market likes red. So if you're thinking of getting a call, not a good idea. Even if it's a good stock, not a good idea. So, you know, here it is. We're moving forward. It's still drifting to the red side. Got a little bit of green happening. Oh, I got green with red. So what does that mean? Well, if you're trading, stay out. We're going to move forward a little bit more. But you can see that red's doing pretty good, even on this stock. And it told you that kind of early. So now it doesn't know, oh, red's still nice. I'm just going to move forward a bit more. So my point is that at some point in this particular day, and this happens every day just about in the market, there's the green heart. If I was in a red trade, I should be getting out. That's the whole point about it. But if you had a good green stock, meaning that it's going to go up, that'd be it's probably a good time to go get that. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to move forward a half hour at a time now. So now there's no heart at all. There's a little bit of red. Remember, we had green. And I'm looking for more green. There's more green. So it's saying, you know, green's still looking like the good side. And let's just go forward more quickly. Still green heart, green heart. So should I be buying my red right now? No, That's the whole point. Very simply, if you thought you were going to get something good in red, don't bother. So the green is still good, even though this stock looks like it might be okay for red. How does that turn out? It's still green. So that means unless you're in for a very short run, where you're okay with losing money, which means you should not be trading. Losing a little is okay. But it's saying here that the market likes green. Well, this stock started out as a red stock. Okay, now, somewhere in here, it said, yeah, red. I'm backing up to find it. So right there, it says, yeah, market likes red. I'm going to go forward a bunch and see what happens. And there at the end of the day. But for the majority of the day, I'm just going to get the drawing pen. It said you should be on the green side till about, I guess it was somewhere around here. You should be going green. From here to here, you should be going green. And the rest of it was red or nothing. So that was the shape of what it says would be your safe thing to do. I'm going to leave these marks on here, and we're going to go look at a different chart for a different stock and just see how other stocks did. So red was better, green was better, red was better. If you had a red signal here. Here we didn't probably have one. Let's go look at another one. Green was better, red was better, or nothing. In this case, there was no signal. It's too flat. Another one. Look at that. Red was better, green was better, red was better. So now, you know, for somebody that doesn't know trading, and of course you should have got a great signal right in there, if all you ever had was that should improve your success ratio. I'm looking at all kinds of different stocks. So green was better here, red was better there. Look at that. That's like almost perfect, right? Q. Yeah. Amazon. This stock. Red was better. So its red drifted a little longer. But in general principles, this is such a great improvement for making it simpler so you don't have to look at as many things. If I don't have a green heart, I probably should just stay out of the green side, unless, you know, everything else is looking good. But if I have the green heart and I have a green trade somewhere in here, or some signal that says green would be good, then that would be a better trade. And that's pretty much it. So don't fight your heart. Go with your heart.
Go with your heart. Beautiful advice.
That's it.
Great. Thanks for sharing that with us, Alan. And this is another tool that's going to really help you. Look forward to hearing your feedback on it. And we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.